Guys, the sizes of our data are like going up all the time, and with that comes the need for ever increasing storage. And to satisfy my needs, I brought a new micro SD card, and this thing is a large one. This memory card is WD Purple 256 GB, and generally this kind of card is advertised for usage in CCTV cameras or DVRs or Dashcam applications. Basically, this is a surveillance card, but I am using it with my Android mobile or my Android tablet. And today in this video we are going to discuss all the fine points, be it benchmarks, be it reliability, as well as we are going to go over this point that should you buy WD Purple series, which is a surveillance card for your Android mobile or tablet. So let's unbox this thing. And I brought this thing off Amazon, and unfortunately Amazon is not paying attention to their packaging since many years. No matter how many times I've reminded them to use proper packaging, there's no box, just a simple polythene bag. And thankfully the packaging of card itself was pretty good. It came in a tamper proof blister pack, so card is in one piece, thankfully. And let's install it in our tablet and let's start testing it. But first let me tell you about the price. Now this particular variant costed me 1900 rupees, that is 1900 of Amazon. The price keeps varying, and if you want to check the latest price or if you want to buy this particular card, affiliate buying links are waiting for you in the description or in the first comment. Please consider using those affiliate links to support my work. I will also provide links for the other variants, that is 64, 128 and 512 GB capacities. Now, as we've installed this card in the tablet, let's run some benchmarks. And I've used variety of softwares to test this card. You can pause the video and read them. Make sure that you are watching the video in 1080p quality for good, crisp and clear font visibility. Now, let me give you an oral summary. The read speeds of this card is roughly 80 to 85 Mbps, which I'll say is pretty healthy. But the write speeds are somewhere around 40 to 50 Mbps. And once I did a constant 2-hour file writing on this card, like you expect it to use in your DVR, your large 4K applications or your Dashcam applications, the write speed fell down to 35 Mbps. And yes, let me give you a little warning that these speeds are device dependent. So you might see higher or lower speeds with respect to your particular tablet, mobile or camera. Now, let's talk about the burning question. Does it make sense to use this WD Purple, which is a camera optimized card, for your regular Android phone or tablet? So generally, if your use is very heavy, for example, if you make a lot of 4K videos, if you're a YouTuber, something like me, or if you edit really large videos and files on your tablet, what happens is that regular micro SD cards will start getting weak after 3 to 4 years. They'll either slow down, you will start having file corruption, or you will have formatting issues. But WD Purple has higher write cycles. For example, this 256 GB variant has 128 TBW capacity, that is terabytes written. Basically, it means that you can write 128 terabytes of data, repeatedly on this little 256 GB card, and it will still sustain. So if long life is your number one priority over and above the outright speed, you can buy this particular card with your use with respect to your tablet or your mobile phone. Again, buying links in description or in the first comment for you. Let's talk about the real capacity. And we know that you will never get full 256 GB due to formatting and file system losses. And what I got from my card was an actual capacity of 238 GB. And I verified this free space using a special software. You can watch the screen recording over here. And what this software does is that it writes files to the entire card. It fills up the entire micro SD card, and then it starts verifying all of those files. It makes sure that all of those files which were saved are actually there and they are actually readable. These days in the market, you will find a lot of cards with fake capacities. What will happen is that once you start writing files to those cards, they'll accept those files, but when you start reading them or when you start copying those files will be corrupt. So here using this software, I was able to verify that this card can actually store as well as retrieve 238 GB of genuine data, which I think is pretty good. To prevent any kind of cheating with respect to fake cards, make sure that you buy your cards from a genuine seller only. Let's talk about the warranty, and this micro SD card comes with a 3-year warranty. And guys, irrespective of your storage medium, be it memory card, be it laptop, be it PC, I always say backups, 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 because the ultimate safety of your data is always going to have in multiple levels of backup plans. And I personally use variety of backup hard drives to keep my data safe, and I also made detailed reviews on them. A bunch of different cards or thumbnails will pop up on your screen, somewhere like here, somewhere like here. You can click on them and buy a really good backup hard drive for your data safety needs. So that's it for this neat little video, guys. I hope you liked it. Take care and have a nice day.